Hi guys, so in this video I will walk you through how to create Kubernetes secrets and how to consume them in Kubernetes deployment. So let's get started. So what I will do first is set a variable called n, which will be our namespace, and the namespace will be name of namespace will be secrets demo. So that is set. So what I do next is create the namespace. So $n is referring to secrets demo. So the namespace has been created. So what I do next is create a generic secret. The name of the secret is secret1 from literal. Username is admin and password I am setting as abcd1234. So that has been set. So what I do next is create a deployment YAML file, and I'll redirect that to a YAML file called secretdeployment.yaml, because I will have to add those secrets in the YAML file first. We cannot do it imperatively, so I'm doing like this. So the YAML file has been created. So now what I do is I will open that in VS Code. So that has been opened up in VS Code. So it is on the right hand side, as you see, and left hand side I have a working copy which I have created for this particular demo. So what I will do is I'll copy paste the relevant section. So first part is the environment. So we will set up like Nginx container, and we have the environment secret username, secret password, and the value will come from secret1, and the key will be username, and the false means the secret one must be existing, and then only it can be created. So I will copy paste the relevant section, and I'll copy it. It should go under the image section. So I'll paste it over here. Let me add one more new line. Okay, so this it has been pasted, and I'll save it. So this is the secret deployment.yaml file which I will be creating. So I'll go to the terminal next. So yes, so I'll create the secret deployment. I've just made those changes. So the deployment has been created. Okay, so as you can see, there is one container which is in ready state, and it's available. It was just created 5 seconds ago. Let me clear my screen. Okay, so what I do next is we'll just exec into the pod and see the our environment variable, which the value is coming from the secret that we have just created. So this is the name of the pod. I am exec into that particular pod and printing out the environment variables. So as you can see, secret username and admin password has come. Okay, so what I do next is I'll create one more secret, and this time I'll show you the volumes, how to use volumes in deployments. I mean, those volume will have the secret, and we can see that via files. So the volume, the secret has been created. So what I do next is I have to update the YAML file again to mount those secret as mount volumes. So what I do next is this is right hand side is the file which I just opened, and here is the left hand side is the working version. So I'll copy paste the relevant section. So I just copy it, and it should go under the resources section. So I'll create some space, right, and command V. So I pasted that, command S, I saved that, and now I'll go back to the terminal. So I will have to now what I'm doing is updating that particular deployment. I made all those changes in the YAML file. Enter. So my YAML file, my deployment has been configured. You can ignore these warnings. Okay, so next what I do is I'll exec into the pod again and print out the secrets which has been mounted. So I'm doing a cat. So what I'm doing is I'm doing a cat of those files, volume username and a volume password, which will actually contain the values. So as you can see, root was, I gave the volume username as root, right? And let's check out the other one as well. And yep. So our volume password is square1234. So as you can see, it is square1234. So basically that it will go as a file, and the content of the file will contain the actual values. So that's it, guys. So I hope you like this video. Please share, subscribe and comment. Yeah, so see you next time. Bye.